You've finally finished your renovation. The dust has settled, the tools are gone, and your space is shining with potential. But before you relax and enjoy it, there's one more job left. Post-renovation cleaning. And trust us, it's not like your usual weekly tidy up. Renovations bring new life to your home, but they also leave behind a mess. Fine dust, hidden debris, grime in the air. It gets everywhere. That's why having a clear room-by-room cleaning checklist isn't just helpful. It's essential. Not just for looks, but for your health, safety, and sanity. Let's start in the kitchen. Even if your renovation didn't take place there, dust still finds its way in. Clean inside and outside every cupboard. Wipe down all countertops, backsplashes, sinks and baseboards. Clean the stovetop, oven, fridge, microwave. And don't forget the coffee maker or kettle. Empty and disinfect the bin, wash the floors, and polish all the handles. This isn't just a clean, it's a reset. Bathrooms trap a shocking amount of dust and debris. Start with the shower, tub, toilet, and sink. Wipe down backsplashes, counters, cupboards, mirrors, and floors. Clean inside vents, sanitize switches, and give the garbage bin some love. From the fan switch to the window tracks, every detail counts. A freshly cleaned bedroom is the finishing touch to help you finally unwind. Dust ceilings and light fixtures. Wipe down walls, closets, and baseboards. Vacuum carpets or sweep and mop the floors. Clean all windows, sills, handles, and switches. It's your chance to reset your sanctuary. In your living areas, dust hides in fabrics and floats in the air. Vacuum all rugs and upholstery. Wipe down mirrors, light fixtures, walls, doors and baseboards. Clean windowsills, screens, and handles. Give your couch cushions a fluff and your floors a proper clean. Then light a candle and breathe in the difference. Hallways are often overlooked, but they matter. Wipe down walls and ceilings. Vacuum or mop the floors. Clean vents, light switches, doorways, and handles. It's the pathway through your new space, and it should feel as fresh as the rest. Here's the truth. The best post-renovation clean starts before the dust settles. During the renovation, seal off rooms that aren't being worked on. Cover your furniture, block off closets, and vacuum regularly. Use drop cloths in walkways and remove debris as you go. The more you contain the mess, the easier the final clean becomes. When the work is done, walk through each room with care. Dust every surface, start dry, then damp if needed. Check window tracks, door frames, and behind appliances. Change your HVAC filter to improve air quality. Reuse leftover materials where you can, and choose green cleaning products whenever possible. A new renovation deserves a clean slate. And once you've cleared the last trace of dust and grime, you'll finally be able to kick off your shoes and truly enjoy your refreshed, renewed space. You did the hard work. Now let your home shine.